Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And a couple of chances for some cold rain on the way, even a little bit of wet snow for some, not all, but no precipitation on Doppler radar this evening. Skies for now are clear. Should stay that way at least the first part of the night before some clouds start to roll in later on. Temperatures in most areas are in the mid-50s. 55 seems to be the popular temperature now in most spots. Westerly was 60 an hour ago. It's dropped off to 57 under moonlit skies. As we widen out the view, the leading edge of our next weather maker, you can see it nosing down across Buffalo and upstate New York, and some of that precipitation headed our way for tomorrow. Doesn't look very heavy or even widespread, but some showers. But notice it's still far away, a couple of hundred miles as the crow flies away from Providence. So again, for the first part of the night, in fact, most of the night, we're actually looking pretty dry. Futurecast starts at 8 o'clock this evening, and very simple. We're just going to show you the sky conditions over time, and you see the clouds rolling in overnight, staying dry. Tomorrow morning, this is 8 o'clock, cloudy and cool. Now, I wouldn't rule out a couple of sprinkles at this time, but notice the green areas become perhaps a little more generous during the late morning and afternoon hours. Now, this isn't really heavy rain, but rather just kind of nuisance light rain showers. Here we are at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then by tomorrow evening, still a chance of some sprinkles and a couple of showers. Just think a more important storm system is on the way for Thursday. More on that in a second, because it could be a little wet snow with that one. Overnight tonight, slow increase in the cloud cover, but staying dry. By midnight, it'll drop off to around 45 degrees. And for the morning commute, what happened? Well, morning commute tomorrow, that map just went by. It skipped. But we're going to start with clouds and maybe like a light shower or sprinkle. But we're not expecting any heavy rain for the commute or the kind of weather that would hamper travel. And then during the afternoon, lots of clouds and cool temperatures. South Shore, probably the mildest air, upper 50s to near 60. And then I think the further north you go, temperatures are cooler with readings low and middle 50s. Lots of clouds, an occasional light shower or sprinkle, and same weather story across southeastern Massachusetts. Boaters, you got a southwest breeze tomorrow, about 5 to 15 knots. Want to jump ahead to Thursday. Now, again, we're forecasting cold rain, perhaps heavy at times. Going to start off at 8 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, and this is actually a snowfall accumulation map. And notice where our computers are indicating where the zone of potentially accumulating snow may occur north of the Mass Pike into northern New England. So this is pretty interesting. For southern New England, for most of our viewing area, there's really not much in terms of accumulations, though again it may actually end as some wet snow come Thursday night. So wrapping it all up here, you have the light showers, a couple of them on Wednesday. There's that steady soaking cold rain on Thursday, may end as a wet snowflake. Looking okay for Friday, potential coastal storm on Saturday. That one too looks like a cold rain storm that may end as some wet snowflakes before it pulls away on Sunday. Drier on Sunday, especially during the afternoon. Chilly at 53, and then the early call on Halloween Monday. Dry and cool weather, sunshine, and a temperature at 53. A couple of showers tomorrow, rainstorm on Thursday, but don't be surprised, especially high elevations north of Providence Thursday night. It may actually end as some wet snow. At this point, I think it's more of a curiosity than a concern. However, you head up towards Worcester and Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, maybe the season's first accumulating snow.
You know why your map disappeared?
What happened?
Because it had snow on it.
That's right.
Yeah, snow gremlins.
Exactly why.
All right, thanks, Tony.